The wealthy are quietly buying gold again, and they're not just doing it because it's shiny or valuable. There's a deeper reason why the rich are moving their money into gold, and it's tied to one of the most uncertain times in history. You've probably heard about the inflation creeping up again. Maybe you've seen reports about banks collapsing or the stock market volatility. You're probably even wondering, what does this all mean for your retirement savings? If you've been keeping an eye on your IRA or 401k, you might already feel the pressure mounting. It's tough to know where to turn when the world feels so unpredictable, right? Well, that's exactly why the wealthiest individuals are quietly shifting their investments into something that has stood the test of time: gold. Yes, you heard that right. Gold. But it's not just because they like the shiny yellow metal. It's because they understand something that most people don't. Gold is a hedge against financial instability. Right now, we're living through an era of rising inflation, an unpredictable economy, and an uncertain future. Just take a look at some of the headlines. The Federal Reserve is hiking interest rates to curb inflation, but it's not an easy fix. Banks are under pressure, and the stock market is swinging wildly. All this creates one thing: uncertainty. And uncertainty is dangerous, especially when it comes to your retirement savings. But here's where things get interesting. While the average person might be watching these events with a sense of anxiety, the wealthy are doing something entirely different. They're turning to gold as a safe haven. They know that when everything else falters, gold tends to hold its value. In fact, over the last 20 years, gold has outperformed stocks during several major economic downturns. It's one of the most trusted ways to protect wealth against the volatility that could wipe out your savings. And it's not just the ultra-rich who are moving to gold. Even middle-class retirees are beginning to realize the value of diversifying their assets into gold, especially those who have saved over $100,000 in their IRAs or 401ks. They're taking a proactive step to secure their future by turning to something tangible and stable. Now, I know you're probably wondering, is gold right for me? Will it help protect my retirement savings? Well, let's break it down. Gold is a way to diversify your portfolio in times of uncertainty. When stocks crash or the dollar weakens, gold tends to hold its value and sometimes even increases in price. It's a way to hedge against inflation and safeguard your wealth so you don't lose out when the market is unpredictable. But here's the truth: gold isn't for everyone. It's not a magic bullet that will solve all your problems. However, if you've been feeling the pressure of inflation or worried about the stability of your retirement accounts, it might be worth exploring how a gold IRA can help you protect your wealth. And here's the best part: you don't have to figure this out alone. If you're serious about protecting your retirement and want to know if gold is right for you, I've got a free guide linked in the description. This isn't a sales pitch, and there's no pressure. It's an opportunity to get real, actionable advice from experts who specialize in helping people just like you diversify their savings with gold IRAs. But don't wait too long. The market's changing quickly, and every day you wait is another day your wealth could be at risk. Click the link, get the free guide, and schedule your zero-obligation call. It's your chance to ask questions and learn how gold might fit into your retirement strategy. Without any high-pressure sales tactics, just honest one-on-one education. You've worked hard to build your savings, and it's time to protect it. Don't let uncertainty erode what you've built. Get the guide, take the first step, and let's make sure your future is as secure as possible. You deserve peace of mind.